Hi viewers, welcome to Ruhi's Recipes. Today's video is all kids' favorite recipes. We are in the last week of Ramzan and our children have been managing very well fasting all through this month. I think this is the only Ramzan that the children are staying at home all the time, and some children would be new to the fasting this year. So now it's your turn to give credit to your children for fasting in this pandemic situation. So why not we cook something special for our children and delight them as a token of gift? Yes, here I'm going to share with you some easy recipes which you can make for iftar today with fewer ingredients available at your home. I hope you all will like my recipes. So come on, let's not wait and get started. The first recipe is street style chicken pakoda. It is not only kids' favorite but also for adults. Let's get into this recipe. For this I am taking 250 gram of chicken breast and cutting them into very small pieces. Cut them into small pieces like this. I am transferring this into a bowl to add the spices. First add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons salt, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoon red chili powder. You can add more if you want more spicy. Next add quarter teaspoon of homemade biryani masala powder. Mix all this with the chicken. Next add 2 green chilies chopped, 2 eggs and mix it again. Next adding 1/3 cup of corn flour. This is mandatory one. This adds the crispiness to the pakoda. And lastly, few curry leaves. Mix all this with the chicken. To make the pakoda even more crispier, I am adding 1 tablespoon of rice flour. This is optional. If you don't have, you can skip this. I am not adding any food color, but if you want the exact red color like available in the street, you can add some food color. Cover this and keep it in a refrigerator and let this marinate for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I am taking this out to fry. Heat oil in a kadai and spread out the chicken pieces and fry this until it becomes golden brown. Do not flip this immediately after you put the chicken. If you do so, the masala will get off from the chicken into the oil. So wait for some time and then flip. Take out this when it becomes brown like this. A yummy and crispy street style pakoda is ready. The kids will really like this. Please do try out this recipe and favor your kids. Next recipe is chocolate pudding. This is very easy to make than it looks. Take a kadai, add 1/3 cup of corn flour, three tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, and then 2 cups of milk. Mix all this till you get no lumps. Next to this, add 50 grams of dark chocolate. You can also add milk chocolate or cocoa powder. I am not having the cocoa powder, so I am adding some chocolates. Mix it very well with the milk. Shift this to gas stove. Keep in low flame and keep stirring it until it becomes thick. It will take some 10 to 15 minutes for this mixture to become thick. Ensure that you keep on mixing it, if not lumps will form. Do not keep in high flame and stir. If you do so, the mixture will not cook well. The mixture is becoming thick. Keep on stirring this for some more time. When it becomes thick, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix it well. When it comes to this pouring consistency, you can switch off the stove. Pour this into a glass bowl or mousse cup when it's too hot. I actually kept this in kadai itself for some time, so the pudding has already started to form. So it's better you transfer this as soon as you take off from the stove. Shake this well to spread evenly. Next, garnish with anything of your choice. I am using some almond powder and some choco chips. Keep this in refrigerator to chill for at least 30 minutes. Now after 30 minutes, I am taking this to serve. This pudding was really tasty that it will melt in your mouth. This is easy to make as it requires fewer ingredients. Try out this recipe in your home and your kids will really enjoy them. Next is very healthy strawberry milkshake. Take a blender, add 10 to 15 medium-sized strawberries, 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, 2 cups of milk. Next, 1 teaspoon of strawberry extract, then some ice cubes. Now blend this using a mixture grinder. That's it, very chill strawberry milkshake is ready for serving. I am using some Ruah Afza to garnish the glass. Adding some strawberry chunks. You can also add any dry fruits that you want. You can also add ice cream on top of this to give a royal taste. I didn't use any ice cream even for garnishing or for blending. Even without that, the milkshake was really delicious. This milkshake was super yummy. Definitely the kids will love this, so please do try out. Hope you all like my recipes today. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and enable the notification button so that you don't miss out any updates.